Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a task on the Qjob application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the create button down below, which is the third option down below. There's the plus icon. After that, you should select the category from this catalog, and after that you should wait a few seconds. Tap on write, then you should type in the task title, then the place of work. Click on done at the top. Enter the date when this work should be completed. Tap on next. After that, you should describe the details. And if there is any private information, you can do so, that the hire specialist can see only. Tap on done and click on next. Indicate the budget. Click on done at the top. Then add your phone number, and then you will be able to finalize the details and make your task available and post it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.